आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल अक्षय। आज के नए एपिसोड में आप सबका स्वागत है। तो फिर चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install NX 10.0 on your Windows PC. If you don't have NX 10.0, you can download it from the link in description given below, and you need to follow these 5 easy steps to install. So first of all, you go to the downloaded folder and hit the launch button. The first step is installing the license server by replacing the SPLM6 file. So hit the install license server button. And here you might get an error saying that you don't have a Java virtual machine installed. So for that you have to go to the Oracle website and download the VMware. And one important point over here is, if you are using Windows 10, you need to download 7U51 version VMware. If it's 7, 8 or 8.1, go for the 8U51 VMware. You can just search for Java 7U51 or 8U51 on Chrome and download it from the archives. In my case it's 8.1, so I'm going for the 8U51 download. I'll go to the website and I'll quick search for 8U51. So ignore the development kit and the server JRE. What you need to download here is the SC runtime environment. Accept and download the 64-bit exe version. So Oracle might want you to log in over here. So once you log in, your download will automatically start. And for Windows 10 users, go to the 7 archives and search for the 7U51 SC runtime environment. Download the .exe. So once the download has completed, run the package so that you can install Java VMware on your PC. Hit install. And if you get a pop-up like this, click remind me later and close once the software has installed. Now follow the same step again, install license server. This time it should work. Select English as the language, click OK. Click next. Click next again. Now it will ask to choose the license file, so I'm going to replace this license file by clicking choose and going to the downloaded folder, the NX folder. Go to solid squad, go to PLM license server and select the SPLM6.lic. Click next and wait for the installation to complete. Hit install. OK. Now wait for the installation to complete. So basically, if the first step doesn't work, you need to install Java VMware and repeat the first step again. So once the server has installed, go to second step, that is installing NX. Click the install NX button. Select the language, click OK. Hit next. Select typical installation, next. You might want to change this, but don't go for it. Let it be as it is. Next. Next. English. Next. Install. This will take a bit longer, so I'm going to cut the video right here. And once the installation is complete, hit the finish button. So we have installed license server and NX. Now exit the demo shield. Now we are going to take on to the third step. So what we do now here is okay, open a file explorer window, go to local disk C, program files, Siemens, PLM license server, and launch the LM tools. Go to the start stop reread tab and hit the stop server button. Now go to the NX folder again and go to the NX folder, Solid Squad, PLM license server, and copy this one. And paste it in program files Siemens PLM license server. Replace this file. Continue. And then next, go to NX file, Solid Squad, NX10, and copy all these folders. And paste them in program files Siemens NX10. Paste. Replace the files in destination. Do this for all current items. Continue. And now don't forget to start the server again and close this. So now you basically have completed the installation. Now we have completed 3, 4, 5 steps in one go. Now head on to start and launch NX10. The first time launch might take a while. And here we go. We have NX. You can make your new project. So that's it. That's about the installation. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and if it worked, leave a comment. And if you have any doubts, ask it in the comment section.